Hey guys, welcome back to Do Clark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to etch some pictures or writing onto your Juul. So as you can see here, this is not a Juul, this is a Juul. So this is the real Juul, and this is like a knockoff brand. It's like 24 bucks. It's called the Coco, but you can still use the Juul pod on it. So as you can see here, I etched this Japanese writing. It means money. It's pretty cool, and just like my name and a happy face. So on this one, it's gonna say Vans. So we're gonna be etching the brand Vans, off the wall. But what I've done is I've like used a pencil and just like drew the picture on here, and now we're gonna be etching it. And it's, as you can see here, it says Vans. It's a bit tilted, but it's okay. So let's get started. So we're going to be using a Dremel right here, and it's going to be pretty loud, and this video will probably be fast forwarded. So sit back and enjoy. So let's get started. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.